Hi all, it's Moz here, and I had something catastrophic happened this week. My compressor died. So onto Amazon, went through some options, saw that there was some that were recommended to me, and I've bought a brand new compressor. Absolutely overjoyed the fact that they had sent it within 20 hours of me ordering it at like 10 o'clock at night. I have a brand new compressor. So here you go. There's the box of it. It's the air compressor, professional high performance eco. It is the Fengda, I think it's Fengda FD-186. It's the piston type 125 watt air compressor, oilless, and it's going to be fab. So on the Amazon website, they're selling these for £72 and a couple of pennies. So bit of a bargain. My last one, which was a Badger version, but it wasn't Badger. It didn't have the Badger badge, the Badger badge. So it was a lot cheaper, but that one lasted me 3 years, I think it was. So this one now is going to be my main driver. The only thing I do need to buy is another connector for it, I believe, because I don't think it comes with it. But let's have a little look inside the box. So you're going to get inside a manual, which is bagged, and there you can see the top of it. And if you have a complaint, it's made very simple. You contact us by phone or send us an email. So I guess Fengda is German then, I guess. So let's get this out the box, shall we? Oh, compressor. So just looking at it, you've got yourself a 3 litre tank, I think it is, on this one. Yeah, there's a 3 litre tank on this one. It's a 125 watt power. The airflow is 20 to 23 litres per minute, apparently it says here. 3 bar auto start, and at 4 bar it auto stops. The air tank, as I said, 3 litres. Connectors is 1 to 8 BSP, which is standard. It weighs 5 kilos, and the RPM apparently is 1,450 to 1,700. So it's got a bit of girth to it. Anyway, looking at it on the top, comes with a handle which I don't really need. There is a pressure gauge there, and there's an adjustment there. It's got a water trap, which you can also press to remove any water that builds up in here, which is always a good thing. There's a release there, so you know it's always good to drain the tanks of air if you stop using them. It's either push or pull. I think it's a pull one. Yeah, it pulls. Bit awkward to get in there, I guess. But yeah, everything that I need is here. So what I need to do now is put a pipe on it and let's get it running. Right, all plugged in. Let's switch him on. It actually sounds very, very quiet. Whoa. It actually sounds very, very quiet. So it's going up to 4 bar now. And hopefully it should just kick off in a minute. That's spraying very, very hard. Hopefully it will kick off at 4 bar. There you go, 4 bar is kicked off, which is brilliant. So now we need to lift this up, and then we could just adjust this so that the pressure goes down to about between 20 psi. There you go, maybe down to about there. So that seems to be pretty good, nice and quiet. Just trying to let out some of the air and just see when it kicks in. So there's the air coming out. I'll just pull this, I think. There you go. So now it's lost a bit of air, so it's going to build up the pressure again. Hopefully it will fill the air back up and it will just turn itself off. This is 70 odd quid. It packs a lot, you know, with the tank as well. And that's what I like a tank. A lot of people will actually just fill it up, and when it stops, turn it off again, and then start using it after, without even bothering switching it back on, because you have enough air in the tank to spray the job that you're doing. So I'll just wait for that to turn off. There you go, turned off now. So the tank is full, and you can then start spraying away. As I said, I've got it set to just under 20, which I like. You can feel it coming out just there. Yeah, I like that. It took down a little bit actually, just a little bit. So to lock it, you push, you just turn it a little bit. It's about right there, about 15. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Then push it down and it locks it so it doesn't move. Fantastic. Yeah, not bad really for 72 quid. I think this is good. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can buy it for yourself if you still want one. They have got some more in stock. Pretty happy. I may change the cord because I don't think it's very long. May put my old one on. So to give me some extra length, put my old one on. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. One last feature is this actually switches, you can actually turns on. So when you know it's on, the lights are on. So there's a light there that comes on with the switch. That's a good feature to have. My old one didn't, it was just a red button. Like it is a rocker switch, but it never used to light up. But now you can actually see the light that's on there. So that's a really good feature. Pretty happy with that. I'm actually quite, yeah, that's going to work really, really well for me. Just a quick look here in the book. So it's good to have a little look, just to make sure that everything that I've done correctly. There you go. So it comes with a parts list. So if you need spare parts, you can buy spare parts for the motor. You can buy new feet. You can buy a new one of them, which I might change that up to a bigger one. So yeah, Airbrushing Air Compressor FD-186. Usually outlet thread size of our air compressor is 1/8 BSP. If you need a 1/4 inch BSP or other MPT screw thread, you may get the other adapters to fit the outlet. Then you can connect with different air hoses. Yeah, because I've had mine originally was this size, so I used to have to adjust them. As you can see, my old hose had a big fatty on the end, and I used to use that. It used to be plugged into the compressor, but now I've got a smaller one, so this one is no good, this pipe, unfortunately. But yeah, that's basically the setup of this. Pretty happy with that. So yeah, 1/8. So I'm gonna have to get some adapters for that. But as I said, you know, I've got quick release on here anyway, so I can just plug them in. And this airbrush here is a Fengda as well, which is the FE183K, and I've also put quick release on that one, so I can use this one as well if I need a different airbrush. There you go, a bit of a quick one tonight. This was the my new compressor. I will leave a link in the description box below if you do want one. Obviously, I'll take it to Amazon. They do have some in stock, which is good. It's the FD-186, and for 70 odd quid, I don't think you're doing too bad. It comes with power switch, pressure regulator, it's got a pressure gauge, you've got a connector there, it's got an air filter, and it comes with a 3-pin plug. And yeah, it looks pretty smart to me. So there you go. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. And subscribing to the channel is free. And also a big shout out to the folks on the screen now who are my channel members. They help with the channel by paying a monthly subscription, and it starts from £1.99, and they get access to my live videos and private videos that I do just for channel members. And if you sign up now and you become a brush member or an airbrush member, you will get stickers for free. I will send them out to you. I'll give you an email to send them out to you. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.